After exploring Fort Lauderdale in episode 1 and surveying the sandy scenery, not to mention meeting some locals, it was finally time for us to board our cruise ship headed for a milestone adventure in the Caribbean.
All right, we're almost on the ship. Are you excited?
Yes.
Gonna have a good time?
Yes.
All right, fine.
We're on the ship. We're on the ship. Hey, we're on the ship.
So join us and a ship full of well-seasoned sea rovers as we head to Half Moon Cay on another land-lubbing LANMonkey's geocaching adventure.
Hey guys, it's the LANMonkey. We are a sea. It is the end of our first day. The moon's up in the sky above us. Let's take a look. You can see it up there. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at that moon. That is going to be a lunar eclipse later tonight. We're going to go and check that out. But what happens when 70 geocachers get together on a cruise ship, have a whole lot of fun? Well, let me show you. And so if we just go around the corner, we can see there's everybody. We got a big group of geocachers. Everybody's all hanging out. We're having fun. Everybody's excited. First night. And we're going to take you on this amazing adventure. You're going to see all this cool stuff in all the next episodes coming up. So I hope you stick with us for all the episodes in season 3 of our geocaching adventures. Hey guys, it is just after midnight. We are going to check out this amazing lunar eclipse that's going on right now. We're just approaching totality, so it's the perfect time to watch it. It's the middle of the night or beginning of the morning. So a bunch of us geocachers are out here on the deck. We're going to check this out.
We were fortunate enough to be out at sea for the January 2019 total lunar eclipse and got a very unique view of this celestial phenomenon from the front deck of our cruise ship. And there it goes.
Well guys, it is bright and early in the morning. We're enjoying a delicious breakfast here. And we're getting ready to go out over onto Half Moon Cay and explore and find our 15,000th geocache. So come along for that adventure. It's going to be fun.
Aboard the first tender and over to Half Moon Cay we go.
Hey guys, so we got a bit of an early start today, which was really good because it's only about 10 o'clock local time and it's really starting to warm up. Have a nice big breakfast on the boat, go find some geocaches, talk really weird, make a vlog, annoy your wife. It's all free. And geocaching is free. And we're approaching the pirate ship. All right, guys, we're gonna go and make find number 15,000 for us here. Let's take a look, see what we can find. Full disclosure, I just watched people find it and put it back, so if I can't find it, there's a problem.
Note to self, add dramatic music here.
Finds! Ah! Look at that view out there. This is amazing. What a great place to make your 15,000th geocache find. As you may have seen, we just ran into our new friends, Cache Canada. Check out their channel. There'll be a link here somewhere for that. And, follow them. They've got great kinds of adventures on the other side of Canada from us. I guess if I have to be geocaching here, I will. Man, this is amazing. So we are at the beautiful Half Moon Cay. It is a privately owned island by the cruise line. It's a great walk all the way around. Woo, that water's nice and cool on my feet. And we are hanging out, as you can see, with Cache Canada and some other geocaches from Ontario, and just having an amazing time on this Land Sharks geocaching cruise, checking things out, finding some geocaches, and just chillaxing island style.
There are 7 walkable geocaches on Half Moon Cay, 6 traditionals, and 1 earth cache.
We have found a UPS, a natural pile of stones.
We headed out to the furthest cache on the island, enjoying the soft, warm sand on our feet.
Another Sasquatch.
Mission accomplished. It was time to head back down the beach, enjoying this tantalizing tropical day and ideally not forgetting our video camera. Hey.
Well, with all 7 caches on the island found now, it's time to head back to one of the beautiful beaches we passed and chill out, enjoy the rest of the morning.
And we sure did. We hope you've enjoyed episode 2 of LANMonkey's geocaching adventures and that you'll subscribe, like, and tap that bell so you get notified of our next episodes. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at LANMonkeyGC, and remember to always cache safely and cache often.